some of the biggest tech companies in the world are cloud companies, or cloud is a big part of their business. Apparently, cloud is the only option. Is it so? Are there situations when we shouldn't use the cloud and maybe we should do it more in an old-fashioned way, on-premise kind of development?
Indeed, the cloud is very appealing, but I would say it's not going to apply to all kind of businesses. It depends. And I can give you a very simple example of a company which didn't got in fully engaged in the cloud, and that one is Netflix.
Oh.
And why? They said they will get bankrupt in less than 3 weeks if they would keep their streaming services in whatever cloud, which has this kind of and most of the cloud companies, it's a very big chunk, a cash cow, the egress traffic.
Mm-hmm. So what does Netflix do? Do they have their own data centers, or?
Indeed. In order to have the best experience, at least in the business case of Netflix, they send servers to a lot of providers. For example, in Romania, DG, Orange, Vodafone. So they send physical servers with pre-installed disk, whatever. So whenever a customer will consume, let's say, some series, it will be streamed very near to him in order to achieve that 4K streaming quality.
I had no idea about this. This is fascinating.
Yeah, that's the way it works. And you basically try to keep the cost low. So they've decided to go to something that we in the IT industry is called hybrid infrastructure, hybrid cloud. So some of the services are externalized to cloud, but everything related to the streaming part will be kept low and sent to ISPs.
So probably things like, I don't know, authentication services and catalog management and whatever are in the cloud because they're centralized.
Yeah.
But that's not the majority of the data. The majority of the data is the movies.
Yeah, exactly. The movie catalog in itself, it will be probably they have a protocol which distributes in a very smart way. Whenever they need to stream a new series which will be very popular and it announced that it will be very popular, probably they will broadcast it everywhere, so it's ready to be consumed from the edges. Let's call it edge servers.